Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making sure your Infinix Hot 10 has sufficient battery and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, open Settings and scroll without delay to About Phone. This is where Build Details live. You need to understand why. Enabling developer options exposes system toggles like USB debugging for advanced tasks. Make sure you can read build number and Android version, because the next step depends on tapping the correct field multiple times to reveal. Now tap build number 7 times quickly but deliberately. You'll see a countdown and then a message like you are now a developer. If the phone asks for your PIN or password, enter it to confirm. This protects access. Once done, press back to the main settings screen and look for developer options, often under System or Additional Settings. You do this because Android hides advanced controls from casual users. Revealing them gives you toggles for debugging and performance tweaks. Finish by switching developer options on using the top toggle. This activates the submenu without changing anything else. Next, enable USB debugging or any specific setting you need and read prompts before accepting. They explain risks and permissions. If developer options do not appear, reboot the phone once, and if still missing, clear Settings, App Cache and Apps Info, then repeat the reveal steps. Remember one troubleshooting tip. Toggle power off/on after changes to ensure system services recognize new developer settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.